Hello everyone, my name is Troy Matthews and this is the product review for the Seagate Freeagent Go portable hard drive. Now, one thing I like about this hard drive, as you can see, it's small. It is used for travel, nice size for traveling. And also it's much smaller than the other, it's called the Seagate Freeagent, which is much a bigger hard drive, and it doesn't, unlike the Seagate Freeagent, this doesn't use an AC adapter, which I really like about this. This is a 320 hard drive, which is good. It retails for about $50–$60. Now, why is this review have any importance? This is the difference. You do not have to use software that comes pre-installed with some hard drives. And that's one thing that I just want to make clear. So I'm going to show you how to do that. One thing I like about not using the software that comes pre-installed with these is because you select the files that you want to back up. And also, if there's a virus on your computer and it's in a particular file, you don't want to back up everything, because when you restore your information on a new laptop or new computer, a desktop computer, you may put the virus on that computer as well. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that, how to back up your stuff without using the software that comes pre-installed. Now, some Seagate hard drives may ask you to register the product, but after that, I know for the Freeagent Go, I don't have to use the software that comes pre-installed. So let me show you this. So go ahead, put the adapter, the cord in. And I'm going to take you through the whole steps to show you how it looks. I don't want to skip anything. So you hook it up. Your computer will recognize it as a drive E. And you don't do nothing here. Just close this window. Just close that window. Let me back up. And now you're going to go to the My Computer. Go to My Computer, which I already have on my desktop. And you will see your, right here in the corner, you will see it there. My computer recognized it. It's the Freeagent drive. And okay, so I accessed my my hard drive. Now, if you want to back up a particular file, like say, let's go to my pictures. Alright, you see, I have my picture right here. Don't laugh. So what if I want to back up this? All I do is right click. I'm using a Windows 7. I right click, go down to copy, and find my external hard drive, which is right here. Right click, paste. There you go. Also, you can, there's one more thing you can do with this. You can actually create folders within your hard drive as well. So you can also, you know, have particular folders with your particular content and create a folder. All you gotta do is just go to the File tab to the top left and just say Create New, and that's what will happen. Hold on, let me see. Yep. You just go down, just click the File tab, go down, and you see New. Click on that and you'll see Folder, and it'll create a new folder. And you just take all the stuff you're doing and all the stuff you're doing and put it in a particular folder. Also, I have to show you this as well. Say you have multiple things. on Windows, say you have multiple pictures. If you want to select multiple pictures, all you have to do is say click the first picture, hold down the shift button, the shift key, and select the last picture. It will highlight all the pictures within the first and the last picture you highlighted. Now say you want to do individual. All you have to do is hold the control key and click the file picture you want, and it will click an individual. And that's it. And I just wanted to show you that as well. Another thing about this is if you are using this, you see it doesn't have a power adapter. So where does it draw its power from? It draws it from the laptop. So if you have a laptop, make sure that your battery is nicely charged. If not, plug it to an adapter, especially if you intend on using your hard drive. And also, if you're backing up many files, like this is your first time backing up your computer and you got a lot of files on there, make sure to go into your settings and turn off that, you know, when you don't use your computer for a long time, it'll go into like a sleep hibernation mode. Make sure you turn that off, because if it goes into that while you're backing up, guess what happens? It will stop uploading your content to your hard drive. And you don't know how that will affect it. Oh yeah, and there's one more thing I have to show you before I go. After you're done with your hard drive, you have to, I recommend that you manually disconnect it from the computer. Before you disconnect it from the computer, make sure you tell the computer first to disconnect it before you take it off your computer. Let me explain what I mean. After you're done backing up your stuff, close the window. And on Windows 7, at the bottom, you'll see this little icon. You see that green check mark right there? Let me see if I can turn this. Excuse me, sorry about that. Alright, hold on, let me let it adjust. You see that little icon at the corner with that check mark? That shows that something is connected to your computer by the USB port. So what you're going to do is you're going to click that. And now you see it says eject Freeagent Go. Yeah, what that means is you're telling the computer that you're done with it, and now it can be ejected. And once it's ejected, you click that. Now it says you can safely remove the hard drive. And now you can remove it. If you have any questions, comments, any concerns, you can contact me at virgin301@gmail.com, or you can just go to my website, virgins.view.com. I thank you for taking the time out to watch my product review.